Hello there, creative Tartanites. I'm just down at the beach. I've just finished filming some footage for a motivational video that I've got on the go, and thought I would start a vlog. As you can see, it's really very sunny. The sun is actually in my eyes at the moment. I've no idea whether this footage is going to be usable or not, but time will tell. So let's go for a walk along the beach. Typical. Now that I've got it set up, I actually don't know what to say. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Go on, Susie. So this is fun. I've now got the camera all set up and I'm thinking, what do I actually say to you guys today? Well, I have got lots of news. I am in the process of trying to set up Patreon, so that should be fun. At the moment I'm at the what am I going to offer as rewards stage, but I'm kind of thinking along the lines of the bottom tier is going to be you're wonderful, thanks for the support, I'm going to be there to support you, just general things. The next tier could be something along the lines of an art print monthly, and beyond that I'm really not sure. But if you think that you might really like to support me on Patreon and you have some ideas of what you would like to see as rewards, then please leave me a comment below and give me your suggestions. I would be most grateful for any help that you can give me, because after all I want to offer value for you guys.
So it's come to this now, love has turned to blame. All the words we didn't want to say, slam doors and broken bottles, dry tears and foolish pride. Now we're waiting for the break of day.
The trouble is though, that sun is like right in my eyes. I wonder if I should just... But I have to say, this is actually really very difficult because the sun is seriously high. This is the worst time I could have come out to film down the beach. But hey ho, I shall soldier on. So some of the things that I have on the go at the moment, as I mentioned earlier on, I've got Patreon being developed in my head and on the website. And I've also got some fabulous stickers coming up. I've been working on some Creative Tartanite stickers. I'm diversifying. I've also realised that I probably haven't been putting myself out there as much as I should be. Yes, I am sharing my work, but I'm not really telling anybody that it's for sale. And the truth of the matter is that my work is for sale. So whether it's stickers or whether it's fine art, my work is actually for sale. So if you're interested in buying anything at all, then give me a shout. You can either email me at tania@tartantaz.com or just simply leave me a comment. And I think I'm going to leave it at that. I don't know if I'll film anything else, maybe an outro, but I suspect that's probably going to be at home. So in the meantime, enjoy listening to and watching the waves crash on the beach before moving on with the vlog. Okay, so future self here. I was down at the beach and I was attempting to do a vlog, and it kind of didn't really go according to plan. I got there, I had an idea in my head what I wanted to say, but I just really couldn't find the words once I was actually there. I don't know if it was because I was out in public and it was a little busier than I expected it to be, or if it was just simply because I'm so nervous and really uncomfortable about promoting me. I'm so afraid of coming across as, you know, sell what I can, you know, get from everybody, and that's not the kind of artist I want to be. Yes, of course I want to encourage people to buy my art, but I really don't want to be that hard salesperson that just becomes annoying after a while. So I left it for a little while, and since then I have actually opened up my online shop. It is now available at tartantaz.com. At the moment, at time of recording, there is one item in the shop, but I am pleased to say that I do actually have 2 orders, which is absolutely phenomenal. Cue the happy dance. Woohoo! I've got my first sales! Oh my goodness, thank you so much. So, cue the music. This definitely requires a happy dance. Today's vlog is going to be me sharing you my process of packing my 2 orders. Let's go.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Typical, I've just gone and lost the spare battery for my camera, and the battery has just run out. So the battery is now on charge, and I have attached my new webcam that I have. I will probably talk about that in another video. Yeah, back to sorting these orders out.
So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never.
Okay, so I don't have any official thank you notes yet, so I had a wee hunt about and I found these little sticky notes. So I think I will pick one of these. Now this one's kind of dusty, so I'm going to put that to one side.
Ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
because I've used my fountain pen, so I don't want to smudge it. Oh. Thank you for your order. There we go, that's that. It really goes without saying that anybody who orders from my website, a huge thank you. I really do appreciate all the support, whether you're coming and watching my YouTube videos or whether you're ordering from my new shop. I am just so grateful. So thank you. Lots of love and creative sparkles to everybody. I was just getting different washi tape, and it's funny because as I was looking at the washi tape and I picked the washi tape that I wanted to use, it occurred to me that it would be so cool if I had my own Tartantaz washi tape. And I have been thinking about this for some time, but it occurred to me I have an idea now of what I actually want to do, so watch this space and we'll see if that can come to fruition, because that would be really cool. That's all I've got time for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have a moment, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell. That way you get notifications of future videos. And if you have any suggestions about what you'd like to see in the future, leave me a comment below. I would love to get into a conversation with you. So don't forget, look after your mental well-being, because only you can. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.